Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have my new iPad here. This is the 2017 model here with the 9.7 Retina display. Just going to do a quick unboxing here. Okay, so here we go, and I did get it in the gold color. Nice. Let's go ahead and boot this up, see where the battery power is. And let's see what else you get with this here. You get the Apple logo stickers here. Get a lightning port charger. And of course we get the power adapter as well. Wow. That is it. This is all we get right here. That's pretty simple. And just taking a little bit closer look at this, we can see we have the home button here. We have the two speakers cutouts here. We have the lightning port right here. And on the back, we can see the, oh, it's a mirrored logo here. Got the camera lens right here. And we have the volume up and down rockers here. And oh, here is the power button. And here is the 3.5 headphone mic jack right here. So pretty cool, pretty simple unboxing here. But that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.